Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about bookmark. Bookmark is also like hyperlink and it make links within same documents with the help of which we can come to know where we were in this document or where we study or edited last time. So it is like a paper history, like in real life when we study some books or uh, some magazine or novels. We generally put a paper strip so that we can keep record where we study this book today and from where we have to continue on tomorrow. In the same way, in MS Word we can place bookmark in our document so that we keep record up to where we were class day. So let us start. First of all, for this we have to take a large document like this. It is suppose it is a file or a report or something, and I'm doing some work in file. Suppose in one day I did some work up to here. Now I have to keep record that on today I work up to here. For this I will select this line and will click on bookmark and will say as today is Saturday. On Saturday I study this book up to here. So I will say add bookmark. It is Saturday bookmark. I can change its color also so that I can differentiate it. Now on Sunday morning I will start after it. So how I will come to know where up to where I works on Saturday. For this I will go to insert, go to bookmark and I will click on Saturday. Suppose my cursor is here, go to bookmark, select Saturday and go to, it will bring me on over here, which indicate that on Saturday I study this book up to here. Now I will start study from here, and after study all these things I say on Sunday I study or I works in this document up to here. So I will put a bookmark here. I will write Sunday and add. That means on Sunday I work up to here. I will change its color also and I will place one bookmark also. Suppose on Monday I study this book up to here. So I will go to insert bookmark and I will say Monday and say add. Now I will click on bookmark. If I want to see Saturday bookmark, I will click on Saturday, go to. So it will bring me on Saturday bookmark. It indicate that on Saturday I was here, means on Saturday I work in this book up to here. If I will say Sunday, go to Sunday, it indicates that on Sunday I work in this book up to here. And if I say Monday, go to bookmark, so it was the Monday work, means up to on Monday I work in this document up to here. So like this we can, with the help of bookmark, we can visit the location step by step on which day I work in the document up to here. If I want to delete a bookmark, I will click on the bookmark and say delete. That will be deleted. There is one thing to keep in mind. There are Monday and Saturday two bookmark. Sort by names means these will be arranged alphabetically as it is currently is. But if I say sort by location, so Saturday is first, after that is Monday, then these will be arranged from top to bottom in ascending order based on their locations. But in case of sort by name, these will be arranged by alphabetically A to Z. So this is a bookmark. I hope it will be clear to you what is the use of bookmark and how we can use this bookmark. But still then, if you have some problem or some query, you can ask me through comment. And if this tutorial is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, can subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And in previous video I explain what is hyperlink, so link of this video is also present in the I button or description of this video. You can go through that video also, so that you can understand what is hyperlink. Thanks for watching.